Hey everyone, today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to turn off notification in Qwenlm.ai, the powerful and interactive AI model by Alibaba Cloud. Notifications can be great for keeping you updated, but sometimes you just need a break. So let's get started. First, go to Qwenlm.ai website. Now make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't logged into your account, once you have logged in, you will see your main dashboard. Now look for the profile icon which is in top right corner. Tap on it. This will open you an option for settings. Tap on settings. On the settings section, on the general, you can see notification option, and there's a switch which is on. To turn off the notification, simply turn it off. And that's it. It's that simple. Now let's talk about why you want to turn off notifications. Sometimes you will need to focus on a task without distraction. Other time you might be in a meeting or quiet environment where notification can be disturbed. Turning them off gives you the control. But remember, notification can also be helpful. They can keep you informed about the important updates and interaction. So don't hesitate to turn them back on, and there you have it. Turning off the notification in Qwenlm.ai is straightforward and can help you stay focused when you need it most. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to comment down below. I'll be there to help. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.